Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beautiful earrings. They are stylish and really simple, and I will show you step by step, and I'm sure by the end of this tutorial you will be able to make them. Don't forget that when you change colors you could have so many variations of your work, and you could do several things to support me. One is to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos for fresh beading ideas. You could also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of your questions in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start with the list of the materials. So for this video what you're going to need are 3 sizes of pearls or beads. These are 4 millimeters, these are 6 millimeters, and these are 8 millimeters. For a pair of earrings I need 2 of each size, and I need 11/0 seed beads, ear wires, use any type you like, and I'm using flat nose pliers to squeeze this monofilament to go through size 10 beading needle that I'm using here, and I'm using also scissors, and this monofilament is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. You could use other beading thread of your choice. And now take about 2.5 feet of thread on my needle, which is about 75 centimeters, and I'll be back. Okay, and now I have my thread on my needle, and I'm going to start by taking one of my pearls, and I want to slide it down, leaving a small tail here, just like that. And now what I want to take are 9 of these beautiful silver 11/0 seed beads. Okay, I have my 9 here, and what I do is that I slide them down. Okay, this is what I have. I'm holding my tail thread here, and what I want to do is go back through this pearl, holding your tail thread. Okay, and this is what I have. Okay, now what I want to do is repeat this from the other side, and I want to take 9 again. Okay, and I have my 9 here, and what I want to do is go back again through this pearl. Again, I'm holding my tail thread all the time. Okay, and I'm pulling. Now this is what I have, and in my next step I want to go through all of my beads here in this direction. Don't worry, it's loose. I will make it right. I will tighten it up. Okay, now here I have my tail thread and my main thread meet here, and I'm going to make a knot. Okay, I will stick my needle in my mat, and I'm making a knot by going once, then I'm going second time through the loop I've made here, and then what I do is that I pull tight. Okay, then what I do is that I will take one seed bead on my needle, and I will go here through the other row of beads, and I'm always flipping my work the way it's easier for me. Then I'm going through all of those beads here. And here I need to add one more bead, Okay, and now what I do is that I go around all of those beads one more time to make it stay together and to tighten up my work. Okay guys, and now I'm exiting here from this middle bead that I added between my two rows of beads, and in order to attach my next pearl here, what I want to do is take one seed bead, and as I'm exiting from this bead here, I'm going back in circle through the same bead, just like that, and I'm pulling. Okay, now this is what I have, and I will go one more time through the bead that I just added. Okay, and in my next step what I want to take are 7 seed beads. Okay, and I have my 7 here, and I'm going to slide them down, and I will take my next size of bead here, my next green pearl, that is 6 millimeters, and I will slide it down as well. And what I want to do is go back here through this first bead. Okay, now this is what I have, and I will go around through all of my beads. Then I'm going through my bead here in the center, and exiting out of the center of my pearl, I will go back through this bead that I first added. Okay, again through it. Okay, and here what I need are 7 seed beads again. Okay, I have my 7 here, and I'm going back in circle through this pearl. Okay, just like that, and I want to go one more time again through this bead here. Okay, like that, and I will flip my work. Okay, going again through all of those beads here. And add 1 bead from this side. Okay, pulling, going through all of my beads here, and what I want to do is connect those 2 elements in 3 points, so they are connected now here in 1 point through this middle bead in the center, you see here. And what I want to do is connect them in 3 points. Okay, so that is why I'm exiting here through this silver bead. Okay, then through this silver, and I want to connect them as well. Okay, you see now these are connected, and these here are also connected, and I will go again through this middle bead here and exit out of this silver here. And I want to connect those last two silvers. Okay. This way I'm making my earring look better. Okay. I'm making something like a loop between my beads. And what I want to do is go in this direction and I will exit here at the middle, and I want to add my next element, and I will do this the same way. Okay, I'm taking one seed bead, going back in circle through this silver one, just like that. Okay, and then back through it. Okay, this is what I have, and this time I will add 5 silver seed beads. Okay, I have my 5 here, and I want to take my next 4mm pearl and I want to slide it down, and in my next step I will go around in circle through this silver bead. Then I will go through all of my beads in this direction, like I did before. Then through the pearl, and again through this first silver. Okay, just like that. Flip my work, and here, yes, I need 5 more. Okay, I have my 5, going through the pearl, and going back through this first silver here. And then through all of my beads. And here I need to add 1 bead at the top. Okay, then I'm going down, and what I want to do is go through this one and connect it to this one. Okay, then I want to go back through this here, and back again. Okay, then if you feel it's loose, go one more time around all of your beads. Okay, and now I'm exiting here at the top, and it's time to show you how to attach your ear wire. Okay, and I take one seed bead, then I take my ear wire, slide it down, one more seed bead, slide it down as well. Okay, then I will go back through this here and pull, and now you see this is what I have here. Flip it and reinforce it. Okay, now I'm here, and what I want to do is make a knot, and I'm making my knot by making a loop and going once and going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling, and you could repeat this several more times, and when you're ready, cut your main thread and your tail thread, and your earring is ready. Okay guys, and now my earrings are ready. So if you like them and if you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of your questions in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.